YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to adjust brightness for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to adjust the brightness of your screen on the S26 series of phones, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing that you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for display. And then from there, what you want to do is hit display. From there, you can see the brightness slider near the top of the settings menu, and then you can use the slider to adjust the brightness on your phone. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to adjust brightness on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.